I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading, FX Trading, Trend Trading. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell. Help me to make more videos. Alright, let's get right into it. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. Trend trading. Bull trend. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify what is a bull trend, outline what is a bull trend, apply the principles of trading a bull trend. Trend trading, bull trend. What is a bull trend? A bull trend is the market moving in an upward direction, creating a series of 2 or more higher high and higher low. HH for higher high, HL for higher low. A bull trend is also referred to as a buyer's market. Always trade in the direction of the bull trend. While the market is in a bull trend, look for buying opportunities only. Let me repeat. A bull trend is the market moving in an upward direction, creating a series of 2 or more higher high and higher low. A bull trend is also referred to as a buyer's market. So in a bull trend, you are only looking for buying opportunities. Always trade in the direction of the bull trend. While the market is in a bull trend, look for buying opportunities only. Right, so let's move over to the chart. Right now, I'm in trading view, right, where most traders do their analysis, right? So I'm using trading view to explain what is a bull trend. Okay, so this chart is showing August, right? So I'm going to spin this chart all the way back, see if I can find some previous dates to explain what a bull trend is. Okay, so we're at February, right? So we are starting at February 2020. So we went back all the way on the 4-hour chart, Great Britain pound US dollar, to February 2020, right? 2021, sorry. Right, so let me just zoom out the chart a bit so that you can have a clearer view as to what is going on. Right there. All right, so on the 8th of February, right, the market came into this area right here. It was trading flat, right? Then the market break above this level, creating a higher high, right? Then the market came into this zone right here, creating a higher low, right? Then the market break above this level, creating another higher high. And the market came into this area right here, creating a higher low, right? So right here, the bull trend or the buyer's market is confirmed, right? So the market continues upward. So the market create another higher high and another higher low, right? So after the trend is confirmed, this is where you look for an entry, right? So at the third higher low, this is where you look for a entry. Right, so you buy at this area right here. So this is where you look to get in the market, right? Right, and the market break above this level, right? Create another higher high, create another higher high, and another higher low, right? At this higher, once the market is creating a series of higher high and higher lows, then you look to buy at every higher low. You look to enter the market at every higher low, right? So with a risk of 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, you would enter right here, right? Risking 1 to make 3, right? The market move up, so this would be a winning trade. Come back in the market right here again, then you buy again, right? So you want to buy right here as well. Right, so the market came into this area right here, failed to create another higher high, right? And the market break this level right here, which is the last higher low, right? And create a lower low, right? And a lower high, right? So right here, the bull market finish right here because the market failed to create a higher high, right, and a higher low. So the market in turn is starting to create lower high and lower low. So let's move on. That is for another lesson. Right, so the market came into this area right here. This is the market came into this area right here and start to push upward, right? So the market create right at this point, the market create one higher high, right? Then the market create a higher low, right? This is in March 2021, right? We're on the 4-hour chart, right? So when you are looking for trend, the higher time frame will give you a better trend than a lower time frame, right? So if you're a day trader, you'd want to be focusing on the 1-hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame and the 4-hour time frame. If you're an intraday trader, you'd want to focus on the lower time frame, like the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame for trend trading. You can trade the 5-minute and the 1-minute, but you'll have better market movement, right? So the market came into this area right here, failed to create a higher high, right? It created a structure. So what you do is you wait patiently. Forex is about patience. You have to have a lot of patience when looking for the right trading opportunity. So we already confirmed that we have a higher high and a higher low right here. So what we do is we wait and see what the market is doing. The market will show you the direction that it wants to trade in, right? So then the market move up, created another higher high, right? Then the market came into this area right here, create another higher low, right? Once you confirm 2 or more higher high and higher low, then it is telling you that the market is in a bull trend. So we confirm the bull trend right here. Okay, so what we'll do now is looking to enter the market, right? We are looking for buying opportunities only, right? So the market move up right here, create another higher high, which is higher than the previous high. So if you realize the market is moving in a upward direction, right? So a series of higher high, series of higher low, right? Then the market come back to this area right here, create another higher low, right? Which is higher than the previous low. So this is where we would make our first buy trade, right? Our first buy trade will be placed right here. Right, our first buy trade right here. Right, The reason why you want to make your first entry in the market right at the third higher low is because we confirm the trend as an uptrend on the second higher low, right? Many experts can enter on the confirmation of the trend, right? Because you already have this point right here, which is considered as a low point, right? So as an expert at trading, right, an expert will use this point right here, right, as a low point, right? This point right here, so an expert can enter on the third on the confirmation of the trend, right? Because automatically this can be used as a low point, a lower low, right? So you can enter on the third on the confirmation. But I am not teaching you. This is for advanced classes, right? So I'm not going to go in the advanced stuff. I'm just teaching you the basic, right, for you to be able to trade successfully, right? So we enter on the third lower low, right? This is where you buy, right? And this is March, between March 6 to March 26, right? Let me take a screenshot of this. Now we are going to the current date, right? So we leave from March, right? And we are going all the way. So if you realize in February, the market was in a bull market, right? In March, the market was in a bull market again, right? Right here, what the market did, right? The market break in and out of the bull trend right here, right? So the market break the bull trend, right? Break out of the bull trend and then break back into the bull trend, right? So the market created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low, right? And then did its thing again. Right here in September, we are in September. Now the market made a up move right here in September. So we have a higher high, higher low, this is not a higher high because it is on the same level of this previous higher high, right? Then we have a higher low right here, right? Because it is higher than the previous low, then a higher high, right? Because we confirm two higher high and higher low, this is telling us that the market is in a uptrend, right? So we are looking for a buy opportunity, right? Right here, the market break out of the uptrend right here. because there's no set rule that yes, the market is going to trade exactly as predicted, right? So what the market did right here was break, it created a higher high, right? And then it break this level right here, which is the last higher low, right? Came down to this level right here, create a lower low, which is lower than the previous low, right? So in this event, if you can't find an entry right here, right, what you do is you wait and watch what the market is doing, right? So the market come back into this level right here and create a lower high right here, which is lower than the previous high. So it is creating a lower low, lower high, right? Then the market create right here a higher low, right? So the fact that the market was in a uptrend right here, break the trend right here, create a lower low and a lower high, and then a lower high, right? What you don't want to do is wait. You're not going to place any orders, right? Because you want to see exactly what the market is trying to get a sense of direction. The safest rule in trading is if you can't get a clear trade as per principle, stay out of the market until you can get a clear and decisive trade, right? So we're waiting for the market right here to create a higher high, which is higher than the previous high. So we have two higher low, right? So what we're waiting for is the market to create another higher high, right? Or create a lower low, right? So we have a lower low, lower high, higher low. So we're waiting for the market to create a lower low, which is lower than this point, right? Or a higher high, which is higher than this point, right? The market came in, created a level which is on the same level of this high, but higher than this high, right? So because this was the previous high, you want the market to take out this level in order to reconfirm the uptrend, right? So the market came down again right here, created a higher low, right? And this is the first sign of continuation of the bull trend, right? Because we have three clear higher low, right? We have two clear higher high, right? But we're waiting on the market to take out this high, right? Now right here is when we have the exact confirmation. We can enter on this level, right? Because we have two higher high, right? So we have two higher low, two higher high, right? But this area is an area that we want the market to take out, right? So to be on the safe side, right, we want the market to take out this area right here, right? Boom, the market create another higher high, which is higher than this level right here. So right here now, we have the exact confirmation that we are looking for. So we're looking for a buy trade. Anywhere in this area, we're looking for a buy, right? So right here is where we enter, right? So you have to be very patient. You have to trade according to rules, right? So this is where we would make our first buy entry, right? So remember guys, when trading, the key to successful trend trading is not how soon you enter the market, right? It is not how soon you enter the market will determine your success as a trader. What determines your success as a trader is successfully pulling money out the market. So it doesn't matter when you enter, but once you are able to pull money out the market consistently, that will determine your success, right? So if you have to wait patiently on the market to give you this confirmation, right? If you get one good trade out this trend, the market will continue to do this over and over every year, every day of the week, every year. So if you only get one trade out of this up move, another up move will come again, which will probably give you 2 or 3 trades, right? Another up move, bull market will come around again. That will probably produce you with another 4 trade, right? So trade according to principle. Take the trades as they come, right? As long as the market is producing a higher high and higher low, you look for your entry point. Right? Once you can identify higher highs and higher lows, keep on looking for your entry, right? Now, if you realize what is happening right here, you would get 3 clear safe buy trade from this uptrend, right? 3 clear buy trade you would get from this uptrend right here, right? So if you realize what is happening, the market is now creating lower low, right? Because once the market take out this level right here, which is the last higher low, this is a sign, right? So if you know what sign this is, you can leave it in the comment section. Once the market is starting to take out the lower high, it is telling you something, right? So once you see this sign right here, this should raise a alarm, right? This should raise a alarm. So if you know what is going on right here, put it in the comment section. And this is for my advanced course. I'll be having some advanced course for persons who want to go further in trend trading, right? So let me just zoom this out. So we're in September. Oh, this is actually September 2020. Yeah, this is September 2020, right? And now in October of 2020, same thing, right? same thing. Right, so that is in October, right, 2020. This right here, we have a major up move, created a one higher high, one higher low, right. So we wouldn't get any trade from this up move because we could not confirm the uptrend right here, right? So we have all year round in order to confirm our trend and get the right trade. So no trade right here. And this is in November, right? 2020 November. So we came in right here, December 2019. Sorry, it's 2019, right? So in 2019, came in. We have a beautiful uptrend going on right here, right? Came in. So right here we have a break out of the uptrend. Right here we have a break, right? Some traders would call it a false break, right? So the market is not going to trade exactly in the fashion that you expect it to trade. Sometimes you'll have false break out and in of the trade, right? So I'm going to do a lesson on false break, right? Or I may as well just put that in advance trend trading, right? So if you want to know more as we progress, I'll have some advanced stuff coming up, right, where you can sign up for advanced courses if you really want to get the heart of trend trading, because I'm going to dive in to the heart of trend trading, right? So once you trade according to the principles of trend trading, right, the market will do this as long as you live, right? As long as you live, the market will continue to do this. That is how the Forex market operate, right? So you don't have to rush. What you need to do is try and confirm your trades, right? So this is in 2019, right? And let me fast forward the chart to 2019. All right, so we are in 2020, right? The market will continue to do this all year round, right? All year round, the market will continue to trend, right? So once you can identify the trend using the principles, right, there's no way you can go wrong, right? The only reason why people having problem doing trend trading is because they are not identifying the trend, and they are not outlining the trend, right? And they are not using the principles of the trend, right? So once you go off track, it is a must that you are going to lose, right? So right here we have a break out of this trend right here and another break in, right? So we have a break in and out right here as well. So the chart will guide you as to when to buy, when to enter, right? When the market is actually breaking in and out of the trend, right? So you wait patiently, right? You can do this all day, all year round, and it never gets old because this is how the market trade. So once you know when to get in the market, you're not supposed to have any problems, right? This is in 2020 bull market, right? Once you can identify a series of 2 or more higher high and higher low, then you have a trade, right? And this is in 2020, right? Move along to 2021 now, right? So every year, every day of the week, every month, depending on the time frame that you're on, it is guaranteed, right? It is guaranteed that you will get a bull market and a bear market. You just have to be patient and be able to identify the trend, outline the trend, and use the principles of a bull trend, right? Once you can successfully do that on a consistent basis, every day of the week, every month of the year, you will be a successful trader, right? So we are at 2021, right? It's about January 2021. Market came into this year right here. Made a lower low, lower high. Once you can identify a series of 2 higher high and higher low, then you have a trade, right? Right, then you have a trade. So right here, if you notice, we are even having a trend within a trend, right? So right here, the market is trending within the trend, right? So this is the broader aspect of the trend, right? And here we have a smaller trend going on within that broad trend, right? So once the market is creating a series of higher high and higher low, right, you decide which one of the trend you want to take, if you want to take the smaller move or if you want the bigger move, right? But as long as you can identify a series of higher high and higher low, then you have a buy trade, right? You realize the bigger trend is it's not taking out the higher low, so you still have a trend going on, a bull market in full force. So right here we have another slight break in and out of a small trend, then the bull market continue. Alright, so as you can see clearly, once you can identify the different type of market and you can apply the principles, you should be able to successfully trade the trends, right? So if this video is of value to you, click the like button, leave a comment, help me to make more videos. Alright.